The makeup, dress, clothing, everything. Okay, so let's do this. Where is Gwen, right? Okay, come on, Gwen. This is your turn. So you need music?
No.
Okay, so here is what. This will be unique because you're a kid. So tell your name and tell what you like, okay? To do at school and all that. Then you need to tell about your mom.
That's right. What?
Here.
My name is Gwen, and I like skiing more than my mom does. And
Yeah. Yeah.
And so
Yeah. Okay, so are you ready then? Let's do it. I'm sorry, what is it?
I missed it. I'm sorry.
I said I'm Gwen.
Yes, you are.
Obviously. And I like skiing.
I got all that. What did you say after that?
Oh.
So you're gonna sing or dance?
Dance. I don't know.
What's your music? Shall I put some music that you like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are those the only two options we have?
Oh, she can do whatever. Any other option. Not for you though. Tell us the joke.
The children get to.
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell you a story about me because that's better. I'm in Gate, and so when in Gate, when I first got there, because I wasn't able to be in it yet, because in my old school you had to get papers from there and all this grown-up stuff. And so when I first got there, I had to research a dog. Since everybody else was there before me, I got to pick my dog while everybody else had to randomly got their dog. So there was the Great Dane or a French bulldog, like some really cute dogs.
Mm-hmm.
And so since nobody picked a certain dog that I really wanted, I picked an Australian Shepherd Mini. I have one, but it's not small.
It's not small anymore.
And since not a lot of so we had to do a competition of a competition of whose dog would be better, and there was a category, and we had to I had a partner and their dog, and so some people got what dog would be better in like a cold area, cold weather, or in hot weather or whatever. So what I got what dog would win in a beauty and elegance contest. So my partner is a Great Dane. And so we had to research stuff and type it all on a computer. So I was reading it out to the class because I had to go first.
Oh yeah.
I had to, and so I was reading it out to
Just
class,
like your mom.
And sometimes, wow. And sometimes
She was my baby.
Yeah.
And sometimes
I know you.
I stopped because you couldn't zoom in, and
Right, Marcella? Yeah, go ahead.
the words were super small. So when I was reading it, I paused sometimes to look inside, and then I was like, oh, I know that, and I kept on reading. It happened about 3 times. So even if you stop, they will realize that you did, and so the judges aren't professional judges, they're kids. And so I'm not really popular, and not a lot of people like me in that class.
I like you.
I know. I think you're awesome.
You're fantastic. Depending on what you call me, though. What do you call me?
I called you Uncle Mo.
No, that's it. No.
So,
I'm only 2-3 years
so
older than you.
My partner.
Yeah.
Can you guess what it is? My partner. My partner, since he's like so much more popular than I am, and he didn't stop or anything, and his is a Great Dane.
Yeah.
So like you also had to say in the speech, like my partner would probably say that that they would probably have bigger fur or like something like that. So I said that my partner would probably situate that his dog would like win an abusing contest because of its strength and its like height and how like muscular it is. And so that happened, and you know how I paused?
Yes.
Yeah, he didn't pause once.
Yeah.
So when we were doing the votes,
Yeah.
he got everybody but one person, and the one person voted for me, and I lost.
Oh. Next year you'll have my vote, okay?
Learn when you lose.
Learn that
Hey buddy, don't throw the stones, buddy. Be a good boy. Yeah, losing is fine, because that's what teaches us, right? That's what teaches us to be better, right?
I guess so.
Okay, so do you want to do you like a song? You're a kid. What songs do you listen to? Not long. Okay, so we're gonna make your mom do.
Ask her what.
It's so hot.
She recently read Frankenstein in a comic book.
Ah.
I did? Yeah.
Okay.
You know what happened?
You were hilarious.
Day before yesterday.
Okay, Kavita, ready?
And Mom
Okay,
was
she's ready.
sleeping. She thought you were reading Frankenstein.
The
Did you read that one or did you read your
famous internet blogger is actually shy.